In this video, we focus on the process approach and risk-based thinking competency in the IATF Auditor Guide, and in particular, the auditor keeping focus on audit priorities and not getting distracted. Watch this video to see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit. So I need to see another automotive product running. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure, we can go straight forward. But actually, Paul, we can take a look at this. The really exciting part. I want to tell you a bit about it. This is the rubbish bin. Originally planned to have it in IKEA. We are running them quite a lot, and we actually have 3 different colors.
Oh, wow, okay.
And we are not only producing the rubbish bin itself, but we are producing the handle. It comes from a different material, so
Right.
we have it stronger. And we also produce the top, the cover.
Oh,
of the bin.
wow, okay. I've seen these in IKEA, yeah.
Okay. Actually, I bought some of them.
Wow.
Really nice.
What other
And,
colors do you do them in?
we do this one, we do the white one, and we do the gray anthracite color.
Oh, wow, okay.
So if, let's say, you have the space for sorting in your home, you have 3 different colors for 3 different types of waste. And yeah, it's really popular in the market at
I
the moment.
never would have thought you're making scrap bins, but I guess, yeah, the machine lends itself to that.
Yeah. And
what volume do you make of these?
we produce about 2,000 per month of these ones, and we actually have bigger ones. So
wow.
this is 8 liter, and we are producing 16 liter as well.
Right.
But
what do you do with the scrap ones?
Well,
we
put the scrap bins into a bigger scrap bin.
And then what happens when the bigger scrap bin is full?
Then we call a guy that collects the scrap bins, and he takes it away.
Oh, right, okay. Oh, no, that's really interesting.
Yes, it is.
When I go to IKEA next time, I'll look out for these. I know they're your product.
Yep, and yeah, I'm really proud that we are producing something for this kind of segment.
Maybe what you could dig out for me is the work instructions then for the inspection of these.
Yeah,
Could
sure.
you? If you can find that back in the office, that would be great.
No problem. No problem.
Okay, thank you. Let's move on.
Okay.
So let's summarize. In any IATF 16949 audit, the auditor should focus on the manufacture of automotive product and not get distracted to audit non-automotive related products. In this example, the auditor was too easily distracted and followed the auditee to get into a detailed discussion about the manufacturing control of waste bins, which obviously are not an automotive product and are not part of the IATF 16949 audit scope. So it is really important for auditors not to get distracted and keep focused, particularly in an IATF 16949 audit, keep focused on the manufacture of automotive product. So let's summarize with the key learning point. In any audit, the auditor must keep focused on the areas of the highest risk and not easily get distracted. Some auditees are very good at trying to distract an auditor to look at the things that they want you to look at rather than what you want to look at as the auditor based upon the areas of the highest risk. So it takes a real discipline for an auditor to stay focused. In an IATF 16949 audit, they should stay focused on ensuring they are auditing automotive-related products.